I'll go down to the gas station. Okay, yeah.
Oh, I see a guy miles away who I
Do not
believe is
engage.
not playing the game. So I'm gonna take him out.
But if you die again, I will be upset. Your performance.
What?
Okay, so many dudes are dead. We're winning in kills though. Well, no, one team also has 2 kills. But they're stupid, so and we're about to kill them.
Yeah. I hope so.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Guys. Freaking Red Man, dude.
Uh,
Focusing fire on Red Man.
he's gonna
Focus
yak.
fucking
He's
Red
gonna
Man, dude.
yak.
Oh, I can hear me yakking.
Bam! Oh
Yeah,
my god, it does so much damage. What just exploded? Was that him?
I don't know. I'm getting stamina.
Oh, nice.
Oh, I killed him. I killed Bino.
That's a claymore! No!
Oh, that
What?
sucks.
I ran so far away from it.
The other guy's booking it.
What? 53?